用事. We use this when refusing an invitation or explaining why we're going out. 用事. 友達を断るときや出かける理由を言うときによく使います。It is used as a noun. 用事 means a task or errand you need to take care of, a matter to handle, or an engagement that keeps you busy. やらなければならないこと、出かけて片付けること、またはある出来事や要件のことをまとめて言います。The first kanji means use or purpose. It often shows up in words about using or utilizing something, like 使用 and 利用. Think about tools and how you use them. It gives a feeling of function and practicality. The second kanji means thing or matter. You see it in words like 仕事 and 事情. It points to events, facts, or issues to handle. It feels like concrete matters or situations. I have something to do tomorrow. 明日、用事があります。明日、用事があります。I'm taking the day off from school today because I have some business to attend to. 今日は用事で学校を休みます。今日は用事で学校を休みます。I can't go because I have something to do. 用事ができたので行けません。用事ができたので行けません。I'll run some errands in the afternoon. 午後に用事を済ませます。午後に用事を済ませます。The most common synonyms of the word are 要件 and 予定. 要件 is a specific matter or item to handle, often a bit formal. 予定 is a planned event or schedule. You might have 予定 even when there is no concrete task yet. The most common antonym of the word is 暇. It means you have free time and are not occupied by tasks, which is the opposite of having 用事.